What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. Look, I didn't think I was gonna have to make one of these videos. I didn't think I'd ever be in this position, but here's what's going on. So we started this 365 day challenge, and we hit 10,000 subscribers right around day 98 or 99, and that was my original goal. I started this just to see if I could do it for 7 days, then to see if I could do it for a month. And then after we hit a month, I was like, well, hell, let's do 100 days. And then I realized 100 days is the day after my birthday on July 4th. And I'm just like, screw it, let's go. Let's hit 10K before then. So that was the goal. Then I hit 100 days, I hit 10K, which is freaking amazing. And then it just, honestly, it's becoming tough. It's becoming a burden. I want to give you guys the best content possible. I want to give you guys the best everything possible. It just, I don't know. I feel like you guys deserve better. I feel like I'm just doing this now because I feel like I have to, not because I want to. And I absolutely love making videos, but it's becoming like a have to instead of a want to. And you guys don't deserve that kind of content from me. Don't get me wrong. I've dropped some bangers, and the views are definitely going down a little bit. And the views aren't everything to me. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong, the views are not everything. Hell, I hit 10,000 subscribers. I never thought I would do that, and I'm beyond grateful and blessed for that. But I think it's time to take a break. I want to do 365 days, but I don't think it's the right thing to do right now. I think that's what we need to do. The positive thing here is I've got huge things in the works. I'm starting a business, I'm starting a company. Like, I'm actually starting something legitimate. This isn't merch, this isn't like the Bowtie Media stuff. Like, this is something different. I'm not going to disclose any of that information yet until later on, but that's what I'm working on during my time off, is my business, testing on things, logos, marketing. I'm doing all of these amazing things, so when I come back, I can unveil something amazing and I can bring back some awesome content. This will be my last video for a while, maybe a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, month, I don't know. But I think this is what we need to do. I want to leave you guys in good spirits. Nothing crazy is going on. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys will forgive me and understand what's going on. But I hope you guys will be ready when I get back, because you definitely believe that I will be ready to come back and completely change the game. So I hope you guys the best. You know, definitely keep watching the videos, keep liking everything. I love you guys so much. I will see you guys soon. But until then, let's get this bread.